Mayong adlaw mga kabrad and sis, welcome sa akong YouTube channel. Salamat kayo sa nagsubaybay, sa akong suporta sa akong channel, sa pag-like and share and subscribe. Salamat kayo. So karon medyo challenge ang akong adlaw karon kay naatay subscriber no, followers na request ako og kanta which is ang akong suod nga amigo nga si Jonel Maestre. Amigo, salamat kayo sa pag-request. Honestly, dili jud nako familiar ang kanta, ang tuno, pero ato-ato lang ni nga kanta man. So, wala basher, no? Dili suporta lang ta. Which is ang kaniyang kanta nga Ordinary Song. Migo, this is for you. Just as ordinary song, special girl like you, from the simple kind, is so in love with you. There may not have much to show, the diamonds that glow, only my sense to take you where you go. But if you even find yourself tired of all the games you play, when the world seems so unfair, you can count on me to say it takes some times to lend an ear to this ordinary song. Just as ordinary song, to a special girl like you, from the simple kind who's so in love with you. I don't even have to love to make you glance my way. The clothes I wear with just so absurd. But deep inside of me is you. You can come to what I do. All these years we see you through. But I've been waiting here for you. It takes some time. Please lend an ear for this ordinary song. Just as ordinary song, special girl like you, from the simple guy who's so in love with you. Salamat kayo mga kabrad and sis. So, mao na to ang request ng kanta no naning paningkamot na dito nako ang tuno ug ang lyrics sa sama-sama giingon dili jud nako familiar pero hindi lang kay hinahinay na tong ma-master na to ang inyong mga request no. So, ayo-ayo mo sa inyong adlaw karon sa inyong pagpanginabuhi. Keep safe. Don't forget to pray and then so that our heavenly Father will bless us no. Mo panalangin ka nato. Ana. Bye bye and I love you so much all. Thank you.